So now let us quickly understand the various common contraceptive methods which are available. Number one, the hormonal method. Well, in this we give hormonal pills to prevent the release of egg from the ovary. These are also known as contraceptive pills, and the most common contraceptive pill available in India is Mala D. The second method of contraception is known as the barrier method. Now in the barrier method, the first example is the condom. This is the most commonly used method of contraception. This is used by men only, and the material which is used for the manufacture of condom is latex. What do? They basically prevent the sperm from being deposited in the vagina. A very common brand of condom available in Indian market is Nirodh. The second method is diaphragms. They are also made up of latex, but they are used by female. This is inserted deep in the vagina or in the mouth of the uterus. So basically it is inserted somewhere in the cervix. It prevents the entry of the sperm into the uterus. The third method, these are called spermicidial agents. These are basically chemicals which are placed in the vagina very close to the cervix, and what do? They actually kill the sperms. So these sperm cells, they get killed, and so they have no effect left. The last method is known as the surgical method, which differs in male and in female. So in case of female, this is known as tubectomy. It is a method of contraception in female, and the same in male is known as vasectomy. Now in case of female, the fallopian tubes are cut and ligated, that means tied, whereas in male the vas deferens is cut and ligated. So both the cases we have seen that the ducts that carry the sex cells, they are basically cut and ligated. However, there is one difference. In case of female, to perform this procedure we need abdominal surgery. That means the abdomen will be first cut, and then we reach to the fallopian tube, we cut it and we ligate it. As a result of which the risk factor is little higher and the recovery rate will take time. On the other hand, in case of male, this is lot quicker and easier to perform, because here we do not cut the abdomen, we rather make a small incision in the scrotum, which is anyways outside the male body, to reach the vas deferens. As we reach the vas deferens, we cut and ligate the vas deferens. So in this case, the risk factor is low and the rate of recovery or the time required for recovery is quite less. Apart from this, there is another myth that comes into mind, that if vasectomy is performed, then it can cause erectile dysfunction in male, but it does not happen. The reason being that in this process we are only cutting and ligating the vas deferens. We do not stop the production of semen. Semen is produced by the prostate gland and the seminal vesicle. So in this, the male can ejaculate, male will have proper erection, because there will be discharge of semen, though the semen will not contain any sperm.